Bronte from XO2 and I'm here to show you how to clean a high-use bathroom with two of our favourite products, XO2 Pro Foam, which cleans and sanitizes, and our XO2 Carrot Top. So we've already filled the Carrot Top up with some Pro Foam, nice and neat, so it's product straight in. We have a few settings on the Carrot Top, so we can change the dilution. So at the moment we've got it set at 40:1. So I'm just going to let it rip. Here we go, so this is our foaming dispenser. So straight away just spray, and you want to foam up the area. You can foam up the toilet, all around the toilet, clean in around the seat, under the seat. Basically trying to make it as hands-free as possible. Spreading everywhere. Let that sit for a couple of minutes. And we want to scrub this on. Giving it a nice scrub. You can scrub the toilet as well. Scrub that in. Once that's scrubbed, you can disconnect the foaming part of the Carrot Top and rinse the foam down the drain. And foam it down the drain. And that's how you clean a high-use toilet in a couple of minutes. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at XO2. Thank you.